In this video, I will demonstrate the process of changing the default font on a Samsung mobile device. As you can see, I am currently in the Samsung Mobile Settings app. To begin, let's tap on Display. Next, select Font Size and Style. Under Font Style, you will find a variety of fonts to choose from. To download additional fonts, simply tap on Download Font. This will direct you to the Galaxy Store, where you can browse and download fonts by tapping on the Download button next to the desired font. Once the font has been downloaded, you can select it from the Font Style menu. As you can see, the font on my device has been successfully changed. This concludes the demonstration of how to change the font style on an Android or Samsung mobile device.